Hello dear students, this is Sarfa Parveen. Here is an important announcement for you. During this lockdown period, we have been engaging regular 3rd and 5th semester classes through online mode. A majority of you have accepted our online course invitations and have installed Canvas app for accessing the study modules updated there by us. According to the guidelines issued by concerned authorities, you are engaged for a duration of only 3 hours with a gap of 1 hour between each class. As you have now become accustomed to using technology for attending lectures, there is a wonderful opportunity for you provided by JKC. This Jawahar Knowledge Center of Commissionerate of Collegiate Education has collaborated with Tata Consultancy Services and is offering an online course for all the undergraduate students. And the name of this course is Career Edge Knock Down the Lockdown. And this is compulsory for all postgraduate and undergraduate students. This is a 2-week self-paced course. Self-paced means you can attend to the course according to your convenience. So there is not a regular timing. So within the 2 weeks you have to complete it whenever you have free time. And this has got a number of modules and assessments also. So at the end of the course you are going to be presented with a certificate. So now I am going to tell you how to register for this course. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to visit the Commissionerate's website, which is www.apcce.gov.in. So when you click that website, our official Commissionerate website, you come to this home page of the Commissionerate. When you visit this home page, on the top left hand side, what you see here is just beside our CM's photo, there is a blue column in which TCS, this JKC TCS ION registration is written. So what you do is you have to click that icon. When you click that icon, JKC TCS ION, you come to this page. And on this page, here we have an orange icon. Can you see it? Which is written as subscribe. So what we do is we click this subscribe button. After clicking this right hand side column, this information will be displayed to you on your mobile screen or computer screen. So here there is green icon which says login, but as we don't have an account created, so we cannot just simply log in. What we have to do now, we have to create our account, which is written underneath. So what we do is we will click this create account, and then you come to this page for creating account. And first of all, you will select that learner that is in blue colored. I am a learner. You select that learner button, and then you have to give your full name. So your name plus your, if there is a single name, if you have got only first name, you just add your surname also, because if we give, let us say you are Anita, if you just type Anita, it's not going to accept. What you have to do is you have to give 2 names, first name and surname. So you have to type your name, full name there, and after that on the right hand side in the right column you have to give your mail ID, active mail ID, which you have given for our online classes. And in the next 2 columns you have to type your password. So this password, it could be for this account only, for this course only. So you type here your password, and you have to again confirm that password in the next column. So there is a left column which is in red, where you type your password. Then just beside it there is a green column. There you retype the password which you have already given. So both the passwords should match, and after that you have to give your phone number. And below the phone number you have something called are you a minor, and they have already given the button as no. But if you touch it again, if you click it again, it will become yes, and your course will not be activated. So leave it as such, leave that, don't touch that, it is there correct, it is mentioned as you are not a minor. Then after that you have to there is a captcha, but when you give your phone number, immediately one more icon pops up, and what is that? Validate your phone number. Validating means if you say yes, you will receive one OTP in the given number. So the phone number which you have given, on that phone you will receive a one-time password, and what you have to do is you have to type that OTP, 4-digit number you will get in your phone. So that number you have to again type here, and after typing that, what you do is you type that captcha there. So there are special characters, letters in colorful block you see na. So you have to type those letters, and after that you say OK. Then here we have the policy. In the next page you have the policy. There are 3 policies, and what are those 3 policies? Privacy notice, privacy policy, and terms of use. So you have to first click this privacy policy and you have to say OK. Then you have to select this privacy policy, again you say OK. Then you select terms of use, again you say OK. So only by selecting these 3 policies you can go to the next page. So this is the next page, and what does it say? Career Edge Knockdown the Lockdown has been successfully subscribed, and it will be available under My Dashboard section. So it will be available to you in your phone, and then what you do is you just click that close. Then this tab will appear. Click launch. You have to, this green block is there, you have to click that green block which says launch. So you have actively subscribed to this course means. So when you register for this course, when you open this course, so what you do is on your mobile there will be some green button displayed on the top right hand side. When you press that, you go to the next page for navigation. So you have to navigate to the next pages by clicking this green icon which will be displayed on the top right hand side. And there are video lessons, and there is also learning material available to you in this course. So when you complete reading one material, you have to click that read. So I have read it. When you click that button, it will become green and you can proceed to the next material. But for videos, you have to play it completely. You just can't just forward it, or you just can't skip it. You have to play the complete video. So only when you run it for the total time, it's going to be turned into green. Then you can proceed to the next video. So these modules are divided as day 1, day 2, day 3, like these for 15 days. So you have to visit, you have to watch all the videos, and you have to read the complete matter which is given there. And finally what happens is you have to take an assessment. There will be an assessment process. So you have to take that assessment. So again, here is a brief recap of what we have said during this presentation. So first of all, you have to go to this website www.apcce.gov.in. Then you have to click that green button. What is that? Click TCS Ion, and then you have to enter the site, and then you have to click that orange icon which says subscribe, and you have to log in to that website. And after logging in, you have to say create account. You have to select create account, and you have to click that learner blue block. And then what information is required there? Your name, your mail ID, your password. Create password means you can have a new password. You need not give your mail password. You can create a new password. And then you have to validate your mobile for OTP. That is, you have to say validate number. Then you will receive an OTP in your phone. That OTP you need to retype there. Then you have to enter the captcha. All the special characters will be given there. So you have to enter them as they are capital, small, numbers, all these. Then you have to tick mark the terms. There are 3 terms: privacy policies, terms of use. So you have to tick those things 3 times. For each policy you have to click that green button, okay, then only it will be accepted. 3 times you have to do that, and once you do that, what happens is your dashboard appears. Then click launch. When you see the dashboard, you click that green button called launch, and after that you enter the day 1. All the modules which are uploaded there for day 1, you can access them, and you have to also go through your video lessons. And finally what is done is there will be an assessment, that is there will be an exam at the end of all these modules. You have to take an exam, and for that exam, one more thing is, it's the number of attempts is unlimited. So until and unless you attempt the assessment correctly, it's going to reappear on your screen. Only when you do it correctly, it will show as completed. Until then it will be saying incomplete. So still you have to do that assessment. Once you do it correctly, it will be marked as completed. So in this JKC TCS ION, what we are going to learn? So here, these are the important components of this online course. So in this short period of 15 days, we are going to learn very important skills such as communication skills, pronunciation skills, soft skills, career guidance framework, resume writing, group discussion skills, interview skills, business etiquette, effective email writing, telephone etiquette, accounting fundamentals, IT foundation skills, and an overview of artificial intelligence. See how important all these topics are, how significant these topics are in making you career oriented. So finally what happens is you are going to get a certificate like this. One of your friends has already completed the course, so this is a kind of certificate you will be awarded at the end of the course. So this is a certificate course. So I urge all of you to get registered immediately, and once you register yourself, you just take a snapshot of the dashboard, so a proof that you have registered, and post that in our WhatsApp groups. And those who complete the course and acquire certificate, so they should also post this certificate in WhatsApp group, so that we know how many of our students have completed this certificate course. Okay, all the best to you.